This is the room of the Holiday Inn for king size bed. Up. CR, mirror, shower. Masyadong maliit ang room ng Holiday Inn. Wala man lang cabinet, yan lang. Tapos yan yung king size bed. Parang pang double size lang pang twin bed lang doon ng Solaire o kaya ng Okada. Pero at least ito, may pull out bed. Ayun. Yeah. Hindi ka na total mag-isa lang ako. Ayan. So, yun yung coffee, tea, water nila, and ref. Ayun. Bilis ko yung halin. Yan lang. Ganyan lang kaliit ang Holiday Inn Express dito sa Newport Hotel. Newport World. Okay. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.